So, you know, mapping out the fretboard can take many different, you know, there's many approaches to it. So, the way I did it was using the A minor pentatonic. Like, you know, I took guitar lessons at Guitar Center like in the mid-90s, and this dude Carlos was just like, he was a mad shredder and just fucking ripping it up and everything. But he did start me on the C major scale, and I kind of, you know, would run it. I didn't really understand what it meant, but it gave my hands something to do. And I think at the end it became, you know, an exercise in alternate picking for me. But I still couldn't connect, you know, from here to there. So that's what this video is about. I'm going to talk about using the A minor pentatonic if you're new to the guitar to help you build a map, you know, a skeletal framework of the fretboard, starting with the A minor in the first position here. Kind of like think of like the ZZ Top box. That kind of like, you know, I just love that. So using this position, as you can see with the little scale graph, by positioning each finger a fret, I'm able to so each finger will, you know, land somewhere that it needs to go, or where it should be. So you're not kind of like just using two fingers or just jumping around. So this is a C note here. Here's my root A, and this would be my minor third. So that would be a, you know, a root note to consider or a color note to hit if you're kind of just improvising in the scale. Here's my fifth. Here's an E. I'm thinking like an A minor. Here's another C. So that was, you know, I mean, all I knew was this like second position. That was like I just thought that was the only minor pentatonic. I thought that was the only shape, you know, in minor pentatonic. But so there's 5 notes, you know, in the minor pentatonic. And then this would be my root again. A. So I have a root here. Here's A. Here's an A on the 5th fret of the low E, and then here's one up here. So all, you know, if you're new to guitar, these two strings, you know, these are both E notes. E strings, excuse me. They both ring out a note of E. So it just repeats. So this is like a you know, just a way to like build up, you know, dexterity, strength, get your fingers to, you know, do what you want them to do. So I could go root to root if I'm, you know, ascending down. And that would be the first position that I would start with if I was new to guitar and I was learning the you know, the A minor pentatonic, or I was just trying to figure out what how the fretboard connects. If I were to, you know, that would be an octave here. I'd have one here. Excuse me. This is moving me into the second position. And same thing, 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to my root. So Same thing. This would be my root. Here's my minor third, fourth, fifth, flat 7, back to my root. And I failed to mention that earlier. Yeah, so my, this G note is pretty powerful. Very powerful, in playing out with the A minor pentatonic as, the color notes that you're looking for. So thanks so much for checking this video out. I've got 4 more coming. Get this first position down if you're new. Little slop there. So, if you're new to guitar, get ready for the next 4 videos. I'm going to do, all 5 positions of the A minor pentatonic scale to help, any new guitar players that are looking to map out the fretboard. Please hit the subscribe. I need more subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks.